Today our topic is idiom and phrases. What is an idiom? Idiom is a group of words the meaning of which is different from the meaning of the original text. Idiom plays an important role in a language. So this is a short definition of idioms. The original meanings are different from the real words. So what is a phrase? A group of words which has meaning but not complete. For example, under the table. It is a phrase. It has meanings but it has not complete meanings. For example, we don't know what is under the table. Second one, a hot evening. A hot evening is a phrase and it has meaning, but first one is he is quite blank, that he don't know anything. He's quite blank. Second one, it is getting dark. It is getting dark means. Number 3, we ate to our fill. We have eat our fill. Number 4, he is stone deaf. He can't hear anything. Don't lose heart. Don't lose heart. Number 6, hold your tongue. Number 7, he deals in books. He is a business of books. Ring up the doctor means call the doctor. Number 9, the well is working. The Persian well, it is working. Number 10, button up your coat. Number 11, he was taken aback. He was taken aback means he is dumbfounded. The fountain is playing. The fountain is playing means a fountain is working. Number 13, rainy season has set on. Rainy season has started. Number 14, his fever has gone down. His fever is coming down. The doctor felt the pulse. 16, I don't feel home here. Number 17, he lives from hand to mouth. He is very poor man. Number 18, I am out of pocket. I have nothing. 19, the fire is out. 20, put out the fire. 21, it is closed today. Means the weather is very hot. No wind, no air. Number 22, the coal is dead. Coal is not burning. Number 23, blow out the candle. 24, his heart is sinking. 25, I have let out the house. 26, you are run down today. 27, the whole game was spoiled. 29, my throat has become hoarse. 29, a friend in need is a friend indeed. 30, honesty is the best policy. So these are 30 idiom phrases. Thanks for watching.